Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing a super common iPhone frustration, how to fix the allow access to photos problem. Ever tried sharing a photo or video, only to be met with a locked down gallery? It's annoying, but easily fixable. In this video, we'll walk you through several solutions to get your apps accessing your photos again. We'll cover everything from checking basic settings to diving into more advanced troubleshooting. So stick around, and let's get those photos flowing. And before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Rome Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks. It really helps us out.
Ok, let's get started. Astérisque astérisque, section 1, checking basic permission, astérisque astérisque.
First things first, let's make sure the app even has permission to access your photos. It sounds simple, but it's often the culprit. Asterisk go to settings, asterisk open the settings app on your iPhone. Asterisk scroll down to privacy and security, asterisk look for the privacy and security section and tap on it. On older iOS versions, it might just be privacy. Asterisk tap on photos, asterisk in the privacy and security menu, find and tap photos. Asterisk find the app, asterisk you'll see a list of apps that have requested access to your photos. Find the app that's giving you trouble. Asterisk choose the right permission, asterisk tap on the app's name. You'll typically see three options. Asterisk none, asterisk the app has no access to your photos. Asterisk selected photos, asterisk the app can only access photos you specifically select to share with it. Asterisk all photos, asterisk the app has access to your entire photo library. Make sure you've selected either selected photos or all photos depending on what you want the app to do. If it's set to none, that's your problem. If it's already set to one of the other options, toggle it to none, then back to your preferred choice. Sometimes a little refresh is all it needs. Section 2, App Refresh and Restart. Okay, if the permissions were already correct, let's try some simple troubleshooting. Asterisk close the app completely, asterisk double tap the home button, or swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold on newer iPhones, to bring up the app switcher. Then, swipe the app you're having trouble with upwards to close it completely. Asterisk reopen the app, asterisk launch the app again and try accessing your photos. Asterisk restart your iPhone, asterisk if that doesn't work, try restarting your iPhone. A simple restart can often clear up minor software glitches. To restart, hold down the power button and volume up on iPhones with Face ID until the power off slider appears. Slide to power off, wait a few seconds, then hold the power button again to turn it back on. Section 3. Resetting privacy settings. If you're still having trouble, let's try resetting your privacy settings. Important note, asterisk this will reset all your privacy settings, so you'll need to re-grant permissions to apps. But it's a powerful tool. Asterisk go to settings, asterisk open the settings app on your iPhone. Asterisk tap on general, asterisk scroll down and tap on general. Asterisk scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone, asterisk tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Asterisk tap reset, asterisk tap on reset. Asterisk choose reset location and privacy, asterisk select reset location and privacy. You'll likely be prompted for your passcode. After resetting, open the app you are having trouble with and it will ask for photo access again. Choose your desired permission. Section 4. Updating iOS and the app. Sometimes, the problem lies with outdated software.
Astérisque 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 update iOS. Astérisque astérisque go to setting, général, software update.
If there's an update available, download and install it. Asterisk update the app, asterisk open the App Store, tap your profile icon at the top right, and scroll down to see if there are any updates available for the app you're having trouble with. Update it if you can. Section 5. Deleting and reinstalling the app, last resort. If none of the above steps work, your last resort is to delete and reinstall the app. This will completely remove the app and its data, and then download a fresh copy from the App Store. Asterisk delete the app, asterisk press and hold on the app icon on your home screen until it starts jiggling. Then tap the X on the icon, or choose delete app if you have a newer iPhone. Asterisk confirm deletion, asterisk confirm that you want to delete the app. Asterisk reinstall the app, asterisk open the App Store, search for the app, and download and install it again. Asterisk grant permissions, asterisk when you open the app, it will ask for permission to access your photos.
Grant the appropriate permission. Astérisque astérisque, conclusion. Astérisque astérisque.
And there you have it. Hopefully, one of these solutions has fixed your allow access to photos issue. These steps usually solve the problem. If you're still having trouble after trying all these steps, there might be a more complex issue, and contacting Apple support would be the next best thing to do. But for most people, these fixes will get you back on track. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Roam Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments which fix worked for you. Until next time, happy roaming.